Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Wednesday, 28th of April. It's a rainy day out. It is a rainy day out again. This is what it looks like.
There is the innovative technology of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class.
Yeah, it's pretty rainy. So I'm on my way to school right now. I'm late. I already missed first period because I'm bad. Should stop. It's just because I forgot to set my alarm this morning. My alarm reset. Oh shit! I got a green light. But yeah. The power went out yesterday, so I had to reset my clock, and then I forgot to reset my alarm. So yeah, that's why I'm late. So I have an excuse, kind of an excuse. But yeah, on my way. Second period's already started. Wait, check this. Let's see. Oh, that's blurry. And that says 9:25, so it starts in 1 minute. My other clock's just a little fast. That one's a little fast. But, yeah, on my way. Hopefully my second period class teacher doesn't yell at me like he usually does when I'm late, so. Alright, guys.
No, you can't fucking record.
Don't move it too. Going to Bentas! But I can't fucking see past his truck though, dude.
You can go out to this white car.
Right here. Go.
What white car? Oh, there it is. Now you can go.
Boom! Here comes the car.
Yeah, that one sucks. And watch.
Pooches.
Dude, what is that little wiener dog?
Holy, all this place is packed. Thank God we're getting it to go. So I said, hell is
That
packed.
girl's on in a Camaro.
It's crazy. At lunch. Oh,
Shit.
I think I just hit something.
Is that a pit?
Yeah.
Well, why do you have an undrive?
Huh?
Never mind.
Alright.
Okay, this is my uncle's dog whistle for rat riders.
Don't blow it too loud or too long.
Stop. Stop.
Hey, don't run! Don't you dare run! Get back over here!
Dude, chill.
Damn.
Chill.
No drinking water, sir.
He's got headphones in. Stop.
Never mind.
Wow.
Look at those beans.
Shut up!
That shit is hella funny. He's hella crazy.
Stoners! Oh shit! Oh, we're so screwed, dude.
You're gonna get boned right in the ass, huh?
Hey, no sexual contents. What the fuck? Guys, it's dog whistle again. In class.
Go.
Just make sure that so you see the class.
Yeah.
See the class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go.
Alright, we're headed to drop little pendejo off here. And then I'm gonna go home and, you know what I mean. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop Pinche Pendejo. And I'm gonna be heading home. Look at this fool right here. Watch it. Oh yeah, I got him pretty good. Alright, and I go. I'll beat that Mustang any day.
Oh shit.
Shit's too funny out there. It's still raining outside too, so what a wonderful day it is here in Oregon. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
But yep, that's what I'm doing. I just dropped David off. Probably gonna go and go home, get on the computer for a little bit, and then go to the gym maybe. If I want. If I want to. No, I'm just fine. Yeah, go to the gym and work out these sexy abs of mine, if you know what I mean. So yeah.